Okay, this problem has a couple of things in it that I need to draw your attention to. First thing I want to point out is that there's 3 million shares issued and outstanding. The 7 million shares as authorized, issued, and outstanding is 3 million. That's the first thing you need to see, okay? So we need to have that piece. Now, we're told that on April 1st, this company declares a 10% stock dividend on April 1st, and they give us the selling price on April 1st of $30, and they tell us that it will be distributed on June 1st, and the price on June 1st is $40. Now, this is a small stock dividend. This is a 10% stock dividend. So it will be done at market price and will recognize additional paid-in capital. Remember, small dividend, market price, recognize additional paid-in capital. So, number of shares outstanding, 3 million. The dividend percentage is 10%. So the shares that we're going to distribute is 300,000. And the market value on April 1st, because that's when the dividend's declared, that's when it counts, it's $30. So the value of the stock dividend is 9 million. The June 1st number is completely irrelevant. So it asks us to look at the additional paid-in capital. It asks us to do the journal entry. So April 1st, retained earnings reduced by 9 million. Debit, retained earnings, 9 million. Common stock, 300,000 shares, dollar par. Do you see how I came up with that? There's 3 million shares out, $3 million paid in capital, therefore it's $1 par. So 300,000 shares times $1, $300,000 common stock distributable. Paid-in capital or additional paid-in capital, the other 8,700,000. Do not fall for the distributable date. We don't care. Come June 1st, the only thing we care about is we're getting rid of this. Distributable. This is called distributable. This acts like a payable. It's not called a payable, but it acts like a payable. And the offset is the common shares that we actually distribute. So, takeaways. Small stock dividend is done at market price. Now, if this was a large stock dividend, just for the hell of it, I'm just going to do it in red. They can pretend this was a large stock dividend. What would happen is retained earnings would be hit for the 300,000. That wouldn't be there. That wouldn't be there. Everything else would be exactly the same. That would be a large stock dividend. This is a small stock dividend, so it's done at market price. And it's done at market price at the date of declaration, when the dividends are declared, not at the date of distribution.